In this video, we are going to see how to install Ubuntu in your VirtualBox. So first of all, you have to download Ubuntu. So I am going to my browser here and searching for download Ubuntu. This is my download Ubuntu. I'm searching this. Now this is we have to go here. It is get Ubuntu download this ubuntu.com and download. Then go to here. Then there is some options of download Ubuntu desktop. Then click here, and then there are two options. These are latest version of Ubuntu. This is 22.04.3 LTS, means long-term support, and this is even newer version, but it is not reliable because it is LTS, long-term support. So it is recommended to download this file. So let's download this file. So I am downloading. I have clicked on download. Now it will start downloading the file. So here you can see it is downloading the file because I have downloaded already. So I am not I am canceling this downloading. Now go to VirtualBox and open this. So I already open. So now you have to add one more machine, which is Ubuntu. So there you can see there is add button. So click on add. Now no, do not click on add. Click on new, because you have to create new file, new Ubuntu. So you have to name this one. So just name it Ubuntu, anything you can name. And it is its folder is this ISO image. You can select ISO image from here. So I am selecting from my download. So it is my ISO file. You can see here its size is almost 5 GB. So I am opening this. So ISO has been inserted now. Now skip unattended installation. Now type is given and version is also given here. From this you can see, and it is detected OS Ubuntu. It already detected. It's automatically detected whichever addition or type we are going to install. So now click on next. Now set your username and this. So I am setting my username to Ripun and entering some password to WELCOME. My you can see welcome, and I'm setting one more password confirming for this. So repeat password. I am adding username and password, additional host name. So you do have to, if you want to add host name. So you can, if you want to add your host, and then you have to uh, pass the host name here and domain name as well. So actually I am not do not want to. Let's say Ripon, and my domain name is this. I am domain name is ripon.com. This is my additional options, and guest addition I don't want. I want to use my this Ubuntu for general purpose, not or personal purpose. That's why I am not using. I am not going to advanced setting. So now click next here again, and then set base memory. I am setting to 2 GB, and processor I am accepting 2 processor, allocating 2 processor, enable EFI special OS, so I am not. Then click on next, create a virtual hard disk. I am allotting 25 GB, and you can increase this size. I am 38 GB now. Then next, then finish. Now you can see my Ubuntu has been created. Now it is opening now. So it is try to install Ubuntu safe test memory, and it is saying something. Now it is checking something. Now, now here you can see it is opening now. So here it is notification it is giving to me, and here in view you can change the size of adjust window size, auto resize, take screenshot recording, menu bar, where you want menu bar, and status bar is here, menu bar is here, and auto resize gas display. So clicking on it, so it has auto resized. Now scaled mode, this scale mode, so it is scale mode. Now clean post and see. It will take some time because it is I did not allocate, so it is now doing something. It will take some time, so give it time. So here you can see, my Ubuntu has been installed. So preparing Ubuntu, it is asking for language. I am English supporting, and install Ubuntu. Try Ubuntu. You can try Ubuntu without making any changes. Install Ubuntu alongside or instead of your current operating system. This shouldn't take too long, so I am clicking on it. Now next, then English, then English keyword, then next. Use word collection, no Wi-Fi collection. I don't want to connect to internet just now. I am using update to version this, so I am skipping this. Default installation, okay, next. So it will take some more time, so give it some time. Now erase disk and install Ubuntu. Warning, this will delete all the program, document, photos. So next. If you don't want, then you can close here, but I am doing so. You can close and there will be some menu, and there will be very vast OS. So installing it. Now it is saying pick your username, your name. So Ripun is my name, and your computer name is Ripun. I am Ripun, and pick a username is Ripun. Choose a password WLCOME. Confirm password WLCOME, because I am using for not for security purpose. That is why I am showing. This is my password. Require my password to log in. Yes. Use Active Directory. No. So light and dark mode, it is saying light or dark, so I am taking it to light. Next one. Now far free and full of new features. So now it will take some time, so give it time. I am pausing the video because it will take some time. You can see here, this is the development environment. It is installing in background here. You can see it is still installing. It is developed with the best open source. Ubuntu is ideal workstation for app or web development, data science, AI/ML, as well as DevOps and administration. Every Ubuntu release include the latest, so it is enhancing your creativity if you are animated designer. So this is telling the features about Ubuntu. So it is installation still in process. So wait more. So finally, my operating system has been Ubuntu has been installed in my VirtualBox. So you can see some, here are some features. It have startup application, don't know what is it, suit well, and these are some games and some video players also. System monitoring also available, and then LibreOffice and translator is also available, and some minds games are, and some games are available. And which terminal we have to do with terminal also. So this is my terminal. So can I execute any command? So let's type ls. So yeah, we can execute here. So crossing it, checking files available or not. Files, yeah, files is also available here. You can see. Uh, so here you can see these are the document it is showing, and these are desktop and documents and desktop. These are showing here. So this is the video. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks.